Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps on how to time out a member on your Discord server using the latest update on PC. If you run a server and need to temporarily stop someone from sending messages, joining voice channels, or reacting to posts, the Timeout tool is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC and head over to the server where you're the owner or have the correct admin permissions. Once you're inside the server, look near the top left corner of the screen. Click the name of your server to open the drop-down menu, and from there select Server Settings. Inside the settings, you'll find a section called Members. This is where you'll see a full list of everyone who belongs to your server. Scroll through the list until you locate the member you want to place on a timeout. To the right of their name, you'll spot 3 dots. Click on those, and a menu with different moderation options will appear. From that list, choose Timeout. Discord will now give you a variety of duration choices for the timeout. You can set it for just a few minutes or extend it for hours, depending on the situation. Once you've selected the duration that works best, confirm your choice. Instantly, the member will be placed on timeout. This means they won't be able to type in text channels, join voice calls, or interact with server content for the amount of time you chose. Timeouts are a really effective way to handle smaller disruptions without permanently removing someone from your community. It gives them a moment to pause and reflect, while also keeping the server atmosphere comfortable for everyone else. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you now know how to time out a member on your Discord server using the updated method on PC. It's a simple tool that can save you from bigger problems down the line, so make sure to use it whenever you need a quick solution.